Hey guys, welcome to Toolsplit. Today's unboxing, well, it's sort of an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. I don't know what's with Samsung and long names, but this one I gotta confess I had to break the seal so they could check the warranty on that screen, because you know that screen is pretty much everything about this phone, but everything else is intact. And we will also unbox the starter kit that comes with this phone, especially if you pre-ordered it. This pretty much gives you all the, well, most of the things you would need to enjoy your Galaxy Z Fold3 5G. Let's get into it. So first up, the phone. Like I said, I'd broken the seal on this already. This is the 256 gigabyte version, and it comes with a screen warranty that lasts you a year and a 24-month warranty on software and all the other stuff. So when you pop it open, you get the flat tablet. What is the 7-point-something inch tablet that the phone turns into? Let's put that to one side. Inside, you get pretty much nothing. Well, okay, fine. To be fair, you get a USB-C cable. That's it. And, you know, thank you, Apple, for starting this trend, trying to save the planet. Appreciate that. You guys are saving power bricks, and don't even get me started. You guys are paying a lot of money for this. The least you can do is give me a power brick, guys. Stop playing around. And then paperwork. I know you don't want to see that, so I'm just gonna file that away. Put back the USB-C cable, which you probably have a ton of at home. And that's that for that box. So I'm gonna take the box away. And then I'm gonna wrap this baby so you can see what the phone itself looks like. Alright, so this is the phone. Just put that on the side. And solid black, matte black, so that it doesn't hold much fingerprints. The 6.1 inch screen on the front. And then for the first fold, oh, that feels good. Feels good. Good heft to it. We'll talk a little bit more about this device. So this is the third iteration for Samsung's foray into folding devices. They've done two great things here. Well, should I say two? The first up is the fact that this thing is now water resistant. You would think that would be impossible with these ridiculous gaps here and here. Samsung has figured out a way to coat the inside of this phone so that they are water resistant. I think IPX8 resistant, so that's really high up. You can submerge it for about in a meter of water for a period of time. Just something I completely advise against anyone who spent a lot of money on a device to go test that out. Don't take my word for it. That's what Samsung says. Ethan says don't do it. Samsung says you can do it. Your problem, your money. But the X in that IPX, when you say something is IP, so that's ingress protection, X8. So the 8 qualifies it as water resistant, but the X means there is no dust resistance. So sand and particles can still get in these cracks. Understandably so, because when you flex this hinge, even though it's a bit tighter now versus the previous model, I mean, it's sand. Have you been to the beach? Sand gets everywhere. I mean, everywhere. All the cracks, the bodily cracks, you know that crack I'm talking about. What crack? Oh yeah, the cracks. Sand can get in there, it can get in here. So that's my warning, right? I'm gonna power this up and put it to one side. So just taking a look at the general body, the power key is on the right. It also doubles as a fingerprint reader. The volume rocker is also on the same right. Speaker at the top, speaker at the bottom for dual firing speakers. You got your USB-C charging port down here. Yeah. And you have your camera array at the back. I think they're all 12 megapixels. From the wide to the telephoto to the ultra wide. But again, we'll get into that in the full review. But it is a pretty device. What have I done? Did I lock it? All right, I did lock it. That's what it looks like. See? So pretty much butterfly cover the front. You get half a butterfly. Open it. Get a full butterfly, and that's what's on the inside. So anyway, moving on. We're talking about the accessories, right? So if you pre-order this, like I said before, Samsung gives you a bunch of stuff to help you enjoy this phone. Can you pass me the box, please? Thank you. And this is what the box looks like, right? Pretty nice. You know, you think you're gonna get a lot of stuff in here. You do get some stuff, to be fair. You know, Samsung tried. They tried. So let's see what's in here. All right, popping this open, you get, the first thing you notice is the Galaxy Buds 2. So these are the successors to the Galaxy Buds Pro, which is why I think if you check out our video here, what we're thinking, is it still worth buying a Galaxy Buds Pro? Since you know the Galaxy Buds 2 is out, they're lighter, they're louder, supposedly, they're better, and they're cheaper, oddly enough. Right? That's what it looks like. Anyway, so that's one. That's the first thing in the box. Should I unbox that right now? Get to it. So, and this is the wireless charger duo, right? This thing will charge everything you own, from the Galaxy phone to the watch to the Buds to your iPhone to, to your AirPods. How nice. They even literally wrote it down there that it'll support your iPhone and your AirPods. So nice of them. No beef. Charge iOS, Android, who cares? You put it, you charge it. Electricity is electricity. Yeah? That's the second thing in the box. The third thing is something which I think anybody who pays a lot of money for any device like this, first thing you should have, except you're just crazy, is a cover. So Samsung gives you a flip cover with pen. So this is a flip cover, and it comes with the Fold Edition stylus. We're gonna just pop this open. Yeah. So let's make room over here, and that's everything in the box, right? That's it. What's inside? So we're gonna start ripping these apart. Let's start with the flip case. That's the first thing you want to do, is get that case. The case comes with its own paperwork, which I do not want to read. This is the tip remover. So when you want to swap out the type of tip you're using in the S. Get up. Right? So there were rumors that this was going to replace the Note. They were not going to make any notes anymore. But with the new rumors that are out, we know that's not true. There is going to be a Note. It's most likely going to be called the S22 Ultra, just not going to be called a Note. And the pen will be housed in the phone, but I digress. Back to this. So this helps you change. It has a few tips in here. Options. So you can use this clip, right, to take this out and swap it out with any of the tips in here. And as you see written here, this is the Samsung Fold Edition. We'll get into that later. You take my word for it. It's written Samsung Fold Edition. Put it one side. So this slides in here because this is a really big pen. I mean, you can't just put this in your pocket and people start wondering, hey, are you just happy to see me, or is that a pen in your pocket? And you'd be like, Mr. Pen in my pocket. Not important. So this slides in here conveniently. And this guy, which still has all the stickers on it for some random reason. I don't know. So I'm scared to peel anything off this phone, because if you remember, the Fold 2 had some protectors that looked like they were just random screen covers, but they were actually protectors which you were not meant to remove. And then some people removed them and the phone broke. So I will look at it carefully before I do any of that stuff. So I'm gonna fold this in here, push this in here, and that's it, right? I'm not a fan of the flappity flap though. Personally, not my thing. So probably gonna get a different cover that locks in properly. But hey, it's free. Who might complain? Okay, so like I said, that's the Buds, and everyone knows what a charger does, and that's really it for the unboxing. So you get, with the starter pack, you get the phone itself, you get the case and the Fold Edition pen right in here. It slides in here conveniently. See that? Really cool. This charges everything. You can put your watch there, put the phone there to charge, because they didn't give you a charger, of course, so they're trying to help you out. No disrespect to Samsung. And this is for your listening pleasure, when you need to connect and walk around and work out, for those of you who believe in that stuff. This is supposed to make that experience a whole lot better. And of course your tip changers. And that's it for that special unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold3. There's a unit we've been testing for a while, and there's a full review in progress. So we'll get back to you with a full video of us trying this around in different locations. and trying to be careful not to break it in the process. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Take care.